In 2018, I was part of a restoration project helping to repair Westminster Hall, so specifically the 26 angels that make up the trusses of the medieval roof. Towards the end of the project, I was so inspired, having worked on the angels, that I really wanted to make one of my own. Being able to carve these angels using the same skills as the medieval carvers for other people to enjoy and appreciate is incredibly special. In each angel that I make, I really want to try and draw on all of my experience of working in the hall and to try and capture that sense of history. Each angel will come with a specially crafted booklet all about the history of the angels and the project to repair them, but also a certificate of authenticity.
The angels have witnessed so much in the 600 years that they've been situated in the roof. To recreate these special parts of Westminster Hall is a significant moment for Parliament, but made more special by the fact that Will has carved them, as he's such an important part of the story of Westminster Hall's roof.